Well, we're not far away now from the awesome Helmet Head and Sidekick Peak District subscribers adventure. And do you know what? I am generally dead excited and I am quite humbled. Now, if you don't know what's going on, this channel does generally get quite a lot of requests to come out and ride and meet and hang out with me and the Sidekick and be part of our crazy adventures. And of course, that can't always be possible. We are extremely busy and this channel is extremely busy, but I really do appreciate all of those messages and all of those requests. So early lockdown, to get everybody excited, I announced that we are going to be doing a Peak District adventure. And what's really cool about it is that the response was absolutely awesome. So what we did is we booked a hotel near Matlock and not massively far away. So I'm going to put the details of where we're staying up onto the screen. Now that sort of pub inn that we're staying at got fully booked out. I'm not saying it's all down to the Helmet Head stuff, but I pretty much know that everybody that's staying there is on this adventure. So I know I've suggested to people to book the B&Bs and I've had lots of requests come in, and I also know that the B&Bs around that area are fully booked. It's really popular because the country is opening up. So if you are interested in coming on this adventure, what I turn around and say is have a look at the Matlock Premier Inn. That seems to still have rooms going, all that area. Now where we're staying is around 2 miles away from there, so it would be an easy walk or a taxi ride if you wanted to come up and enjoy a pint. Now that's the point. The date of this is the 28th to the 30th. Now the 28th for us is just going to be arriving in the evening at the pub that we're going to be staying at, and we're going to be enjoying a few beers on the Friday night in the pub with anybody that wants to come along and have a good old chat and a bit of a laugh. Then on Saturday morning, this is the plan and this is how it's going to go. We are going to aim to be out with our bikes by 9 AM in the morning. We'll do some chatty stuff, some pre-filming during that time. At 9:30 we are going to be doing our setting off scene, what obviously will include the Brute special, and when we film that scene we'll be heading straight off. Now I want to be quite clear, and I don't want to come across as rude, but we will be leaving at 9:30 in the morning. If people are late and they think they're going to be able to message and stuff like that, I won't be looking at my phone, I'll be too busy. So please, if you're coming along, be there before 9:30 because you will miss out if you don't. Now we have a route, and this route is literally taken off of Adventure Riding. If you've got a TomTom 500 or 450 plus, you'll be able to download this route directly on. I haven't come up with this route myself, I haven't put waypoints on a map or anything like that. I've tried to keep it as simple as possible. Now I've done this route before and it is absolutely awesome. It's just over 100 miles long and it includes a lot of cool and exciting roads. Now I also want to say I am again hugely excited. This is going to be an absolute blast, a typical 11 out of 10 adventure. But it's not a tour. It's not a tour guide adventure. It's a Helmet Head and Sidekick, fully winging it adventure. What we'll do is there will be lots of stops and starts to get some awesome feel, like filming in. We'll be doing fantastic drone shots. We'll be having silly games and stuff going on. It's going to be an absolute giggle and we're going to have a blast. I want to say about lunchtime, because a lot of people have said to me, what are we going to be doing for lunch? Now my plan is to keep it so wide open so nobody feels like they have to pay out and stuff like that. We'll try and pick somewhere where we can either grab some amazing pie and chips, or somewhere we can pick up some sandwiches, and somewhere we can sit outside. So people, if you want to bring your own food, if you want to buy something, you're more than welcome. I'm not aiming for us all to be sat inside a cafe with all the restrictions and things going on. We'll be outside somewhere, obviously weather dependent. And then obviously from there we'll continue setting off around the route. Now the whole route itself, like I said, is just over 100 miles. If we get too late in the day or we've had enough because of weather, etc, etc, of course at any point we can go, enough's enough, let's head back to the pub, let's grab a few beers and chill out for the evening. And then obviously we're going to enjoy some food and some beers in the evening at the place that we're staying, and we'll be chilling out and relaxing there, and everybody is more than welcome to come and join us again for a beer and a good old chinwag on the Saturday night. So that brings me to the Sunday. Now the Sunday is just for us, it's just packing up and leaving in the morning. I'm not planning on doing any kind of group stuff or riding. Me and the Sidekick will just be packing up our bikes and leaving. So the big day itself will be that Saturday. If you're not staying obviously on the Friday or you're local, like I said, if you come down and join us at 9 in the morning, have a chat, enjoy being caught on camera and having a laugh, and then we'll have the big set off scene and we'll have the fun and games, and the craziness will absolutely start then. So what I want to turn and say is that, of course, by coming along to this adventure, you are giving us permission to be part of the filming, to become part of an epic episode, maybe even a mini series, depending on how much footage that we actually get. And you know, it's dead exciting, but I'm not going to walk around going, do you give me permission? If you're coming to this event, you are giving us permission to be caught on camera. That's kind of the way that these things work. And we've got a few YouTubers that are going to be coming along, and everybody that's coming, you're more than welcome to obviously film away. Can I just ask though that everybody that come is respectful. We are there for a Helmet Head and Sidekick adventure. This is the Peak District subscribers adventure, and can I just ask that everybody please is respectful to each other. When we're filming scenes, I would really appreciate it if people that are capturing stuff don't start talking away to their cameras and stuff as we're filming, because it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to put these together, and I don't want to have to keep redoing scenes because people are talking over and stuff like that. It's just asking for a little bit of professional courtesy when it comes down to that. But like I said, there is going to be people there filming as well. So again, if everyone shows a bit of respect, we are all going to have a giggle. So if you want to grab yourself a Helmet Head t-shirt, a mug, or you want it signing or some photos and stuff when we're there, do you know what? All you have to do is ask. I am more than happy to grab a photo. I'm happy to sign some of the Helmet Head stuff if you want any of that stuff doing. And it is a great time to jump onto the shop and grab yourself a t-shirt, etc. now before we get there. And do you know what? I'm dead excited to meet so many of you. The subscribers, the fans of this channel. Without them, this channel would not even be going. So it's going to be awesome to have that crazy tongue-in-cheek Helmet Head adventure with you guys. Honestly, I'm overwhelmed by the response that we've got. Saying that, you don't need to check in to tell me that you're coming. It'd be cool if you do, but you don't need to. You can just rock up. Everybody is welcome. This is a Helmet Head giggle. This is a laugh. So I can't wait. I absolutely can't wait to meet the people that come and have this fun. And then, of course, I just want to say a massive thank you to my patrons. If you're interested in supporting this channel, becoming a patron, getting to see the videos first, and there's quite a few at the minute on Patreon, and get to leave your comment and get your name in the credits. There is a link for that down in the description, the same as there is the shop and everything else. And then all there really is now to say is, of course, the gospel, the thing that we live by on this channel. Eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next bonkers Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.